If you're looking for a better way to make cold brew coffee at home and cut down on your daily Starbucks visits, then look no further. Introducing Cold Brew on Tap, the better way to brew, store, and serve up your week's supply of cold brew coffee that saves time and money. We loved the idea of homemade cold brew, but every cold brew maker we tried had some serious shortcomings. Too complicated to use, too expensive, not airtight, or way too small to name a few. That's why we decided to create our own solution addressing all of these issues, and the Cold Brew on Tap was born. We combined the high-quality glass construction of a vintage mason jar with a custom-made fine mesh filter to create this proprietary design that allows you to make up to 16 cups of cold brew in one batch. With less than a minute of prep, you can have cold brew ready to go for the rest of your week. To prep a whole batch, simply add 1.5 cups of coffee to the basket, pour in your water, set the conveniently sized gallon dispenser in the refrigerator, and let the magic happen for 12 to 24 hours. The best part is that you can store and easily serve it up right from your fridge using the adjustable stainless steel spigot. We created the Cold Brew on Tap to improve the coffee experience for everyone, from the coffee aficionado to the budget conscious, from the stay-at-home mom to the go-getter always on the move. And that's where you come in. We already have the design, patents, and manufacturing agreements for the Cold Brew on Tap. Now we need $10,000 to actually put these into production. Please consider becoming an extended part of our team and backing our project. Cold Brew on Tap is definitely the better, cheaper, and more convenient way to do coffee.